Hey there, outdoor people. David Stone here with CraftBuild. In the previous tutorial, I mentioned that we've spent the last 2 years building a replacement for CraftBuild to order. The new system, we're going to call it CraftBuild to Order Plus, or CBTO Plus. In the last session, we covered administration and management inside the application. Here, we'll look at the sales dashboard and related functionality. In the final session, we'll cover placing orders just like you did in CBTO. The URL for the site is the same as what we showed you last time, cpq.craftbuild.com. We will also put a link on the partners.craftbuild.com page so that you can access it from there as well. On the login page, you'll use your email address and password to log in. And now you'll see 3 tabs going across the top: Sales Dashboard, Purchase Dashboard, and My Account. If somebody is just in the Sales Dashboard as a sales manager or salesperson, they'll only see Sales Dashboard and My Account. Before we go into the Sales Dashboard, we have to check that in My Account and Company and Discounts Markups, our dealer markups are set for the products. These are set by percentages. A 100% markup means it's going to be a 2-time multiplier on the material that you're buying from us. A 200% markup means it's a 3-time multiplier. It's broken down by individual configurator. So for instance, if you want to set different prices for different products, you can. So here I've got different prices, different markup percentages for a drop shade, an eco, and an estate. Once all of these are set, we can continue to the sales dashboard. Inside the sales dashboard, there are 2 ways that you can organize quotes. You can do it by the individual customer. So for instance, if they have 2 addresses, you can have 2 addresses for the customer, and you can have individual quotes for each of their addresses. The other way is through statuses. We can look at all the started orders, all of the sold orders, all the canceled orders, and we can see these by individual salesperson as well. Now, this is because I'm logged in as someone that has the rights to the sales manager permissions. If I was just a salesperson in here, I would only be able to see the quotes that I created. As the sales manager, I can see all the quotes created by everyone. So what we'll do is we'll come in here and we'll create a new customer. We need to complete everything with a star in the address field. Once we do that, we've created a new quote or a new sales order, whatever you want to term it. This is what you will use to create a price to sell retail in the home. Under shade products, you'll have all of your shade products, and under each of the tension shade, patio awning, canopy, you will have the different configurations for those products. So I'm going to go in and just create a quick configuration for an estate awning. If you have any questions about how to do this or what options to select, please contact your regional sales rep. In this section, you will answer the questions top to bottom, and as you do, more options will appear based off the selections that you are making. Here, when you're selecting fabric, if you just want to see the brown fabrics, you can by typing that in. If you want to see greens, you can do that as well. If you have a specific color that you want to select, like 0171, we can also type that in and pull up that single color. If we want to include a valance, we do need to select it now. Once I've completed all of the questions, a review checkbox will appear in the upper right-hand corner. I will review this order. I will look at the specs, and then if I'm ready to put it into the quote, I will say save. And now it's been added to our quote. That's shade products. You also have catalog and custom inventory. Catalog works through a filter system. This has almost every single part that we offer here. If you want to search and you need, for instance, an estate hood extrusion, we can search it up here. We're not only going to get that because those keywords appear elsewhere, but if we keep scrolling down, we will see that we have this hood extrusion down here. If we know the part that we need, now there's 33, I can change that to 40. I can see all of the different hood extrusions. I know that I need one for no back in sandstone. I'll come over here, I'll select 3 and I'll save. As I hover over these, I get what the description is of the item. I get what products it's used on, and then I get a short description of that item here as well. You can also click on the picture and get a bigger picture of what you are looking at. The other ways that I can search through here is I can go down to shade products, I can go to estate, I can go to assembly and installation, and let's say that I need an end bracket. I can type end up here, and here comes our end brackets. Once I go to this selection down here, nothing appears because I still have my filters on up top. Once I delete them, I'll see the end brackets that I need. I know I need 2 of them, and I can add them to my order. Multiple ways you can go through this system using multiple filters, searching specifically the part memo, the part number, or search globally. You can also go down the tree to find the item or the item category as well. Finally, I can go to custom inventory. These items are added under my account and company in the custom inventory section. Once I go in here, I know that I can add an awning installation by the foot right here, wall awning installation. And because I have a 12-foot awning, I can save it and it will add it to my order. If I wanted to add something else like a standard installation fee, I can do that as well. You can put anything you want into this section. You can create any categories that you want. If you want to use this system to sell windows, you can do that. I go back to my sales order, and now I have everything in there. I've got my estate awning, I've got my 2 parts from the catalog, and I have my 2 installation fees that I'm going to be adding to this project. In total, my price, $9,039. If I need to adjust that to give a discount, I click on order adjustment. I can adjust it by these preset percentages, or I can enter a custom number. Say that we're going to go with $8,800. I can save that. And once I save that number, I can't add anything else to this order because it would throw off this adjusted price number. If you need to add something after adjusting the price, you have to change the status back to started. It will remove the adjusted price. Now I can add something else to the order. Let's go down to shade products. Let's add 1 motor. And now I can adjust the order total again. Once I change the status to sold, the only person that can cancel that is going to be somebody with sales manager permissions. A salesperson can move something to sold, but they can't take it out of sold. They would have to contact their sales manager for that. So that's the overview for the sales dashboard. The next version that we will cover is going to be the purchasing dashboard. Look forward to talking to you again.